Hey, what's up folks? If you're looking for the best grow tents, you've landed in the perfect spot. Done the research to bring you the best grow tents options for this year, considering price, performance, and usage scenarios. Discover which grow tents is the best fit for you. All the product links with the best deals in the description box below. List is in no particular order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end. Let's get started. Number 1. Mars Hydro Grow Tent Kit. Mars Hydro Grow Tent Kits are generally considered excellent value for the money, offering durable construction and efficient lighting that is suitable for both beginners and experienced growers on a budget. However, some users have noted quality control issues and less than ideal customer service and value for money. Mars Hydro Kits are known for being very cost-effective, with many reviewers finding them to be a great bang for the buck. High-quality material. Number 2. AC Infinity CloudLab Advanced Grow Tent. The AC Infinity CloudLab Advanced Grow Tent is well reviewed for its high-quality, durable construction, including a thick 2000D canvas and 22mm steel poles. Users appreciate the strong frame, numerous ventilation options, and convenient features like a controller mounting plate and tool bag. Some potential downsides mentioned are the possibility of light leaks around the single zippered door and the fact that the light must be purchased separately. And premium construction features a 2000D canvas and 22mm steel poles, which are more robust than standard poles. Strong frame. The sturdy frame can support heavy equipment, up to 250 pounds. Numerous vents, includes a variety of vent sizes and locations for superior airflow and ventilation. Lightproof features, comes with lightproof zippers and 500G flaps. Though some light leaks are possible, convenient accessories, includes a detachable tool bag and a controller mounting plate, making it easy. Number 3. Gorilla Clone Tent. Gorilla Grow Tents are one of the most popular and best-rated brands on the market. They offer various types, sizes, and features so that you can find what is suitable for your garden or personal needs. And Gorilla tents offer many benefits, but are they worth the cost? The answer to this question really depends on what you're looking for in a tent. They are one of the best tent brands on the market, but they may have a higher price tag. Number 4. Vivosun GIY Smart Grow Tent System. The Vivosun GIY Smart Grow Tent System is a Wi-Fi integrated, automated grow tent kit with mixed customer reviews, praised for its convenience and affordability but criticized for mixed customer service experiences. Key features include an E42A controller that allows app control of the LED light, ventilation, and circulation fan, along with a thick mylar lining, sturdy metal poles, and a built-in carbon filter for odor control. While it simplifies indoor growing for beginners and experts, some customers have reported issues with missing parts and unhelpful customer support. And convenient and automated, the Wi-Fi integration and app control, E42A controller, allow users to automate schedules for the light, fan, and ventilation from their phone. Quality construction. The tent is made with thick mylar for good light reflection, sturdy metal poles that don't sag, and high-quality zippers to prevent light leaks. Number 5. Vivosun 2-in-1 Grow Tent. Vivosun 2-in-1 Grow Tents are a good value for the price, offering a flexible setup that can be used as a single large space or divided into two zones. They are praised for their sturdy, thick material and heavy-duty zippers, though some users report minor quality control issues like poor stitching or misaligned holes that may require DIY fixes. Other common points include the need for a separate fan for the smaller section and the potential for minor light leaks around the Velcro dividers. Flexible design. The 2-in-1 setup allows for simultaneous growth of different plants or stages, such as a separate nursery and main grow area. Sturdy and lightproof. Made with thick fabric and 98% reflective mylar, the tents are generally durable and resist tearing and light leaks. Heavy-duty zippers. Zippers are often described as robust and solid.